Hi, and welcome to a new video. I recorded this footage, I don't know, over a month ago. It's been quite a while. And I'm sorry I didn't post it for so long. I went down a rabbit hole once again of overthinking, and yeah, while I wish that I wouldn't have done that, I can't change it, and I'm happy that I'm here again and that I learned from it. I saw a reel with a quote a few days ago where it said that the universe will put you in the same situations again and again until you learn to react differently. Yeah, and that really resonated with me. I thought about it 100 times that done is better than perfect, but I always come back to, but I want to have it perfect, and I end up not having anything at all. So, yeah, I want to change that now. Oh wow, there's just a bird. Just pooped. Okay, wow. Okay. I remember walking or hiking up here this morning. I realized the only moment I have is the present moment. Because I was like thinking, I'm late, I'm not like getting up there or here where I am now on time. The sun is already gonna be up, and what if I don't see the owl? Because I actually wanted to come here because I once got up here by car, and I saw an owl over there just flying away. And I was like, okay, so there are owls here. And my goal for today was to get up here and to hopefully get to see an owl. Then hiking up here, it was so challenging. It was so exhausting. It was just so hard. Sometimes it was just so steep. I don't know, yeah, like this probably. And yeah, I was just questioning myself why I'm doing this. This wasn't a good idea, whatever. And then I was like, okay, I'm out here. I wanted to do this and it's beautiful. I then enjoyed the fresh air, hearing all the birds chirping around me, just the calmness and the quiet of the early morning. And it was like, wow, okay, I'm actually really doing this. I thought about this for not a very long time, but it was on my mind for a bit. And I actually put this into action. So I was doing that, and I'm here now. So, yeah, I don't really know to which point I wanted to go with this. Oh, yeah. But now I know it again. Because then sometimes I get caught up into this, I'm late, I need to hurry up. And then I'm just like running, not literally, because yeah, hiking, you wouldn't be able to have run up here. But I'm just like fleeting away from the current moment in order to hopefully get to have a cool future moment. But it's just so risky because there is no guarantee that this nice future moment is going to be there, because actually, yeah, now I'm up here and I didn't get to see the owl. I'm not sure, maybe I saw one flying away, or just flying over there, but I'm not even sure of that. So I realized in that moment, because sometimes then I also felt like, okay, if I'm gonna record clips of me hiking up, it's gonna take even more time for me to get up there. And then it was like, no, I enjoy filming. I enjoy, yeah, setting up the camera and getting nice frames. And so I have the possibility, the power to make it a good moment right now. So then I remember when I set up like the first frame, it was this frame where you see like the valley with a lot of fog. It looks like a lake, but it's actually not. And some lights and just the beautiful pastel colors. And it fueled me with joy and with happiness. That sounded really weird. Happiness? And yeah, I was so grateful then that I did that. And I also realized that setting up the camera and doing like this shots is like a break for me during the hike, because then I got to pause for, I don't know, a few minutes. And it was actually pretty good because I was so out of breath. I don't know if you say that in English, but I was like, like that. So yeah, that was a good thing too. Oh, there is a cat up there. There is a cat. Hi dear. Where are you? Oh no. I'm too far down. I need to get up. I guess I'm gonna sit down, enjoy a snack, and after that, go back down, hike down. Yeah. Okay, I'm very proud that I did that. I'm very proud I drove in our new car. I'm very proud I parked our new car. I'm very proud I hiked up here and I didn't quit halfway. I'm very proud I appreciated the moment. And I'm so grateful for that. I'm grateful that I appreciate the little moments. I got to capture small birds. It's all about the little things and it's all about being in the present. Remember that. I'm gonna put on my hat again. I'm truly feeling cold. Better. So much better. Yeah, and so I'm on my way down again. And there was such a great surprise here. So on my way up, I just heard this creek, and on the way down then I actually got to see it beauty of it. And also because it was like in the shadow, the light was still beautiful. And it wasn't like, yeah, harsh shadows and harsh light. I don't know if you say that. Yeah, but I had such a good time here. And I hope that you can feel a little bit of the magic of this place through the screen. I truly hope it reaches you. And with that, another video comes to an end. I'm very grateful for you spending your precious time with me. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, just thanks a lot for watching this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!